In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access System. Now click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and EMPORIA Keyboard. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on this switcher next to it. You can also tap on the chosen one and pick one of the available options, like off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!